I am going to show you how to add the servers. That means how to integrate your WHM in WHM-CS. So first, in the setup section, come to the product and services and select the servers. So you can see here currently there is no server. So click on the add new server. Here enter the name of server. Suppose it is dedicated. Enter the host name, that is dedicatedcore.com, and IP address. So here it is my IP address. I'll copy it and paste here. If you have an additional IP address, then you can add here. Then monthly cost, suppose it is $10.5. Then data center, skip this field. Then maximum number of accounts. So here by default it is 200 and that is good enough. But if you want to increase it or decrease it, then you can do this. Then if you want to disable the server, then you can tick this box. But currently I don't want to disable this. I want my server activate. But in future, if you want to disable server and migrate to another server, then you can use this option. Then name server section, here enter the name server. In our WHM tutorial, we have already created the name server and we have described you how to create your name servers. So if you missed that tutorial, then in the description of this video, I am providing the link. So from that you can see those videos. So here enter the name server, that is ns1.dedicatedcore.com, and the IP address is, copy the IP address and paste here. This is our primary IP address. For this name server we have set this IP address, and second name server is ns2. And the IP address is this. Paste here. Now scroll down and here it is server details. So here first select the type of server, that is cPanel. Then enter the username. So here it is. Copy this and paste here. Then password field. Here it is password. Copy it and just paste here. Now API token. To get the API token, you have to log in into your WHM. So come to the new tab and dedicatedcore.com/WHM. So here enter the username and password. The username is already here. Copy the password. So this is also I have copied already and paste here and login. So you have successfully logged in into your WHM panel. Now in a search bar enter the API and here it is manage API tokens. Now to generate the API, click on the generate and here enter the name, and here it is our new API. Copy this and paste here. Now next option is secure. If you want to use a SSL mode for the connections, then tick this box, and it's really beneficial to use the secure connection. So select this, and this is the port number. But if you want to customize the port number, then you can tick this box, and from here you can customize also. And lastly, save the changes. So our changes are successfully saved, and here you can see our new server which we just added, and these are the IP address and all the information. So in this way you can integrate your WHM in WHM CS.